Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, where AI bias comes from and how to spot it before it costs you. Everyone talks about AI bias like it's a bug someone forgot to patch. You're telling me it's actually baked in?
It's structural. Bias isn't the model misbehaving. It's the model doing exactly what you trained it to do, on data that already had our fingerprints all over it.
Walk me through that. Where does it actually enter the building?
3 doors, and the first one's the data. If your training data reflects a world where, say, 90% of your past engineering hires were men, the model learns that engineer correlates with man. Amazon found this out the hard way. Their internal recruiting tool started downgrading resumes that mentioned women's chess club. They scrapped it back in 2018.
So the data is the world and the world is unfair. Fine. What's the second door?
The labels. Someone has to tell the model what good looks like and that someone has opinions. If you train a loan model on historical approvals, you're not teaching it who repays. You're teaching it who a human loan officer liked. You've automated the prejudice and given it a nice, clean interface.
That's the part that gets me. It launders the bias.
Exactly. A biased person you can argue with. A biased model comes with a confidence score and a dashboard, so everyone assumes it's neutral. It's the same bias wearing a lab coat.
Nice. And the third door?
The objective. What you told it to optimize. If you tell a hiring model, find me people like my top performers, and your top performers are a monoculture, congratulations, you've built a machine for cloning them. The bias is in the goal, not the math.
Okay, but here's the uncomfortable one. If it's structural, isn't unbiased AI just marketing? Can you ever actually fix it?
You can't zero it out, and anyone selling you bias-free AI is selling you something, but you can measure it and bound it. Think of it like a car. You can't eliminate the risk of a crash, but you can install seatbelts and check the mirrors. What's unforgivable is not looking.
So how does a normal exec actually spot it? Most of them can't read a model.
You don't read the model, you read the outcomes. Slice your results by group, gender, age, zip code, and compare the rates. If your fraud model flags one neighborhood at 4 times the rate of another with the same actual fraud, that's not insight, that's a lawsuit forming.
Give me the metric an exec should demand, one they can say out loud in a meeting.
Ask for the disparate impact ratio, the approval rate for one group divided by another. U.S. regulators use a rough rule. If it drops below 0.8, meaning one group gets approved less than 80% as often, you've got a problem worth explaining. It's crude, but it fits on a slide.
And when the vendor swears their tool is already audited?
Ask who audited it and on what data. A lot of fairness-certified claims come from the vendor testing themselves, which is like grading your own homework and being shocked you got an A. IBM and Microsoft both publish bias testing toolkits. The fact that they had to build those tells you the problem is real.
What does bias actually cost in money? Execs care about the number.
The Dutch tax authority ran a biased fraud detection system that wrongly accused around 26,000 families of childcare benefit fraud, disproportionately dual nationality families. It forced people into bankruptcy and collapsed the government in 2021. That's the price of not slicing your data.
So the failure isn't the algorithm, it's not checking.
Right. The model just amplifies whatever you feed it, faster and at scale. The negligence is human, the algorithm's just the accelerant.
Give me the one thing to do Monday morning.
Take any model already making decisions about people and demand its outcomes broken down by at least one protected group before your next board meeting. If nobody can produce that table in a day, you're not running the model, it's running you.
The bias is quiet until it's expensive. Got it. That's it. The AI decision tools are live at mba-training.com.